First, open the file that you want to edit. If you zoom the actual pixel of this image, you will see so many noise and it looks low-res and blurry. So I will show you how to make this image better look. Click twice of the layer and name it original, and then copy it, the layer, with press Ctrl J, and I will use neural filter. I will use this one, photo restoration. First, you can arrange the setting here. You can see this is the before, this is the after. So arrange the setting until you satisfy with the result, and then press OK. Ctrl D, deselect, and name the layer with neural filter, and then copy the layer with press Ctrl J, and then I will use filter AI denoise. This AI denoise using topaz denoise. I zoom to actual pixel, and you will see the noise is reduced by AI denoise. Rename the layer with AI denoise, so you will not confuse with the layer. I think this is very good. And then I will copy the layer by press Ctrl J, and then I will use auto color, And then you see the different. This is the before, this is the after. Now the color is better. I group the color correction layer. I put it in the group, and I will name the group adjustment color, and I'll mark it with orange color, so the management of the layer will not confuse. Then I use curve to make it lighter, and I use selective color. I will use neutral color, and I reduce the red. I reduce the red because so many red in the skin. This is the before, this is the after. So the skin will not seem very reddish. And if you see the eyes, some area dark, so I will lighten the dark area in the eyes by using brush. First I fill with black in the mask, in the mask, and I brush it with white color. Raise the setting of the brush. I use the opacity 30, around 30, and the flow around 30. See, this is the after, this is the before. If you see the armpit color is not good, there is black area here, so I will use a new layer to correct it. I change the normal setting to lighten. I use brush and I hit Alt in the keyboard, and if I hit Alt I can take sample around the armpit. I take sample of the color. Here's the sample, so you see here the color sample, and then I brush the dark area of the armpit. You see, this is the after, this is the before. I'll reduce the opacity. After, before, after, before, after. I do it once again. Now use selective color. I use natural colors setting. I reduce the cyan because too many cyan in the armpit. I fill the mask with black by hit Ctrl delete, and I brush it with white color. Before, after, you see the difference. And then I select the layer of the correction of the armpit, and then I group them by hit Ctrl J, and I rename it. So this is the before, this is the after. You see the difference. And then I zoom out. If you hit Alt and you press the eye symbol in the lower layer, you can see the before and the after. This is the before, this is the after. Okay, don't forget to save your file. If you zoom with actual size, you can see the difference. This is before, this is the after. Before, after, before, after. Okay, I hope this tutorial help you, and then don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial. Okay, thank you.